Alright, this is my bike check. I got Fit FAF front tire, kink stock pedals.
The front tire is a teal wall.
Yeah, teal verde prism stock frame, verde handlebars, verde stem. I got chromoly cranks, duo road size pedals. I got Eastern letters
Pivotal seat.
And Fit pivotal seat.
Seat post.
Seat post. Verde stock cranks. And I got
I can zoom in on it.
bullet valve caps.
Let me see that bullet valve cap. Do these things.
And I got ODI grips.
In orange.
In orange.
Like a what? Like a G.
Like a G.
You got the
An hour walk. There's no way.
Alright, we will go.